Welcome to this guided meditation for anxiety and stress relief. In the next few minutes, allow yourself to disconnect from all worries and reconnect with peace, clarity, and emotional freedom. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and let your body settle into stillness. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Let's begin. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and breathe out any tension you're holding. Imagine a warm, golden light above your head, a light of peace, comfort, and protection. As it slowly descends through your body, feel your mind growing quieter, your thoughts slowing down, and your worries beginning to fade. You are safe. You are grounded. You are exactly where you need to be. Now bring your awareness to your chest. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. With every inhale, feel calm expanding within you. With every exhale, release a layer of stress, fear, or anxiety. Repeat silently in your mind, I release what no longer serves me. I am calm. I am in control. I am at peace. Let these affirmations wash through your body like a soft wave. Imagine the golden light moving through your shoulders, then your arms, down to your fingertips, melting away all stress, tension, and emotional heaviness. Visualize yourself standing in a peaceful place, a quiet forest, a soft beach, a gentle meadow, whatever brings you comfort. Feel the air around you, hear the subtle sounds of nature, and notice how your heart feels lighter, your mind clearer. Every breath is a step deeper into serenity. Every moment brings more mental clarity, inner balance, and emotional healing. Allow this space to remind you that peace is always available inside you, around you, and within every breath you take. Slowly bring your attention back to your body. Notice the stillness in your mind, the softness in your breath, the peace now flowing through you. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, softly open your eyes. You are calm. You are safe. You are centered. Carry this peaceful energy with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this guided meditation for anxiety and stress relief. If this session brought you comfort, consider liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who may need peace today. Namaste.